In the previous video, we installed OpenCode on Windows and set it up in both Terminal and VS Code. Now it is time to use it for something real, not just setup, but actual vibe coding. In this video, I'll show you how I used OpenCode to build a complete modern e-commerce web app, step by step, from model selection all the way to a full stack React, Django, and PostgreSQL application. Let's begin. First, OpenCode gives us the flexibility to choose the model we want to work with. That is one of its biggest strengths. You are not locked into a single provider. Here, I can switch between different AI providers like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, DeepSeek, and local models. Depending on the task, I can choose the one that gives me the best balance of speed, reasoning, and quality. For this project, I'll start with a strong coding model that is DeepSeek v4 Flash and move ahead. Next comes the variant selection. OpenCode lets me choose how aggressively I want the model to work, from low, medium, and high to more powerful modes depending on the need. For simple UI generation, a faster variant is enough. But for deeper reasoning, architecture, and full stack work, I usually prefer a stronger variant. That way, I can control the quality and performance of the generation process. Now I need to connect the provider. This is where OpenCode becomes really flexible. I can connect OpenCode Zen, OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, local Ollama models, or other supported providers. If I already have an API key, I can paste it here and get started quickly. Once the provider is connected, OpenCode is ready to generate code inside my workflow. Now that our AI model is ready, let's build our first application. As usual, I'll start by creating a new project folder. I'll call it Demo, but you can use any folder name you like. Next, I launch Visual Studio Code by typing code followed by a space and a dot. This opens the current folder directly in VS Code. Once VS Code opens, I'll launch OpenCode. Before, create a new file called index.html so that OpenCode directly modify this. Inside the OpenCode prompt box, I'm going to ask it to create a complete front end using just a single HTML file named index.html. Here's the prompt I'm using. I'm asking OpenCode to build a modern furniture and electronics e-commerce website with everything a professional online store should have. That includes a premium hero section, a responsive navigation bar, product categories, featured products, product cards, image carousels, smooth animations, search functionality, FAQs, contact section, and a fully responsive design. Notice that I'm not telling OpenCode how to write the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. I'm simply describing the final outcome that I want. This is the essence of vibe coding. Instead of writing code line by line, we focus on communicating the requirements clearly and let the AI generate the implementation. Now, OpenCode begins analyzing the prompt and starts generating the entire web page. You'll notice that it's creating the HTML structure, styling, layout, interactive components, and everything required for the application. This usually takes only a few moments, depending on the complexity of the prompt and the AI model you're using. And here's the first version of our website. Already, we have a modern landing page with a premium dark theme, navigation menu, product sections, attractive UI elements, and a responsive layout, all generated from a single prompt. But we are not stopping here. This is just our starting point. In the next step, we'll continue refining the design using additional prompts until it looks like a production-ready application. The first version looks quite impressive, but as developers, we should always review the output carefully instead of accepting it immediately. As I go through the application, I notice that some of the functionalities I originally requested are still missing. Also, the website is using placeholder graphics. For an e-commerce application, I wanted to use real furniture and electronics images so that the interface looks much more realistic. Instead of writing another long prompt, I'll simply ask OpenCode to review its own work. My refinement prompt is straightforward. Review again. I can't see all the functionalities requested. Also, I need real furniture and electronics images. That's one of the advantages of working with OpenCode. You don't need to start from scratch every time. You simply tell the AI what needs to be improved, and it continues building on the existing project. Now OpenCode is reviewing the entire application, identifying the missing features, and updating the project accordingly. Notice that it isn't rebuilding everything. It's improving the existing implementation based on our feedback. And here is the updated version. Now the application feels much more complete. The layout is richer, the requested sections have been added, and the real furniture and electronics images make the website look far more professional and production ready. This iterative approach is exactly how AI-assisted development works in practice. Build, review, refine, and repeat until the application meets your expectations. The website is looking much better now, but I want to make it even more useful. Since this is a project that could be used in Odisha, I'd like users to switch between English and Odia without maintaining two separate websites. So, I'm giving OpenCode another simple refinement prompt. Add a toggle in the right top corner to switch between English and Odia. Notice how small this prompt is. I don't explain how to implement the toggle or how to translate the content. I simply describe the functionality I want. OpenCode now analyzes the existing project, understands the current layout, and adds the language switching feature without affecting the rest of the application. Let's test it. When I switch to Odia, the content changes automatically, and switching back to English restores the original interface. This is another advantage of iterative prompting. Instead of rebuilding the project, we are continuously adding new features while preserving everything we've already created. Now our front end, which is a single index.html, is complete and all the features are working as expected. The next step is to convert this static application into a complete full stack project. I am giving OpenCode another high-level instruction. Everything works here. Make it a full stack with React White and TailwindCSS for the front end, Django for the back end, PostgreSQL as the database, while preserving all the existing functionalities. Notice that I'm not asking OpenCode to rebuild the application from scratch. Instead, I'm asking it to preserve everything we've already created and convert it into a proper full stack architecture. This includes separating the front end and back end, creating REST APIs, designing the database models, and organizing the project into a maintainable structure. OpenCode now analyzes the existing project, understands its structure, and begins planning the migration from a single HTML application into a modern full-stack solution. Depending on the complexity of the project, this process may take a few minutes because the AI is generating multiple projects, folders, configuration files, APIs, and database models. Notice what's happening here. OpenCode is automatically creating separate front-end and back-end directories. The React application is being generated using White and TailwindCSS. At the same time, it's creating the Django backend with REST APIs, project settings, models, views, serializers, URL routing, and database configuration. This is exactly the kind of repetitive development work that AI can dramatically accelerate. And there we have it. Within a single workflow, OpenCode has transformed our static prototype into a properly structured full-stack application. Instead of one HTML file, we now have a scalable project with separate front-end and back-end layers, making it much easier to maintain and extend in the future. Our full-stack project has now been generated successfully, but the next question is, how do we actually run it? Instead of manually exploring the project structure, I'll simply ask OpenCode how to run the full stack in backend and frontend in this folder. And then, one more thing I'd like OpenCode to do is generate documentation for the project. So I'm asking it to create a markdown file named howtorun.md. This file will contain all the instructions required to set up and run the project in the future. Now that we have the MD file, there are two ways to run this full stack application. The first approach is the traditional way. Open two terminals. In the backend folder, run the Django server using python manage.py run server. Then open another terminal, navigate to the frontend folder, and run npm run dev to start the React application. This gives you complete control over both the backend and frontend during development. The second approach is even simpler. Instead of typing all the commands manually, we can ask OpenCode to do it for us. So I'll simply prompt OpenCode, run this full stack. OpenCode now understands the project structure, identifies the front-end and back-end, and begins launching both services. It automatically starts the Django backend and the React development server in the correct order. As you can see, both applications are now running. The backend is running on its development port, and the React frontend is running on port 5173. Once both services are ready, OpenCode automatically opens the application in the browser. Our complete full-stack application is now up and running. From a single prompt, we've gone from a project idea to a working React frontend, a Django backend, a database-backed architecture, and a live application running in the browser. And that's it. We started with a single prompt and built a complete full-stack application using OpenCode. Along the way, we selected the AI model, refined the front-end through natural language prompts, converted it into a React, Django, and PostgreSQL application, generated documentation, and even launched the project all from within OpenCode. This is the power of AI-assisted development. Describe your idea, review the results, refine them, and build faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll build an even more advanced real-world application using OpenCode, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.